Here I got yet another eBay package. I'm gonna box it now. I got the shipping label off, so let's move on. This box is smaller than I thought it would be though, so hopefully the speaker came in good condition. Can't get it all. This is another new speaker. Like, wow. It came with the original box again. These are steel. I like these. Yeah, this looks new. Like, it's ridiculously good. Comes with the screws and everything. Like, these are so good. I don't even need to test this. Like, look at the condition of this. I do need to tighten the screws down again, though. I don't know why they do that. But look at that. Pristine condition. I like these so much. I only got for 2 of these. That's a ridiculously good price. So yep, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.